Hello, this is Watchman Lee. Show is Watch with me, and today we're looking at another police video. This is a shoplifter gets a hard dose of justice.
Ma'am, wait right there. Got your receipt?
I want
Let me see your receipt. Is she the other one? Yeah. Ma'am, hold on, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right off the bat, you come out the door of the store talking about I paid for my stuff, but walking away, something's wrong. But let's jump back into it.
Yes. I understand. Please stop. Stop.
Y'all doing the most. Can I get my receipt, sir?
Right here.
I'm finna get my receipt. You don't have to touch me.
You're gonna go right there. You're
Okay,
gonna
I'm
get
finna
in jail.
get. Okay. I just came. I'm not with her.
Okay. Do you have your receipt or?
She was gonna leave the basket to say she would go get her receipt. But if you just came out the store, why isn't your receipt on you? You ain't been to the car yet.
No. Why do you have it on your phone?
Because I got it on my phone, sir.
Okay, then show me on your phone.
Okay.
Two separate things. Then.
I don't know what they have going on. They don't have
Two
nothing to
separate
do with
things.
me.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
That's what I'm asking you. If you
I don't know what's going
stop
on.
and listen to me. If you didn't steal, do you have a receipt?
Yes, I have my receipt.
Where is
but
it?
I'm trying to figure out why he running after me. I don't even know.
Where is
what's
your
going on.
receipt?
It's in my purse, but I'm saying I don't even know them.
Let me have your receipt. Then I get you out here in 10 seconds.
That's avoidance. Somebody's asked you a direct question. You're trying to push it off to somebody else. He's not talking about the other lady. She keep talking about, I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Just be direct. That's all they ask you to do. Show them the receipt. That's your way out.
Okay, give me a second. I'll give it to you. Like, I'm like, what the
Ma'am,
hell?
stop.
I'm gonna give it to you, sir.
Stop and give me the receipt right here.
Please chill out. I'm gonna give it to you.
Stop.
I'm gonna give it to you, sir. What is she doing? Oh,
Sit down, Papi. Give us traffic. Get down.
you have to do that. I'm telling you, I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give
Stop. Keep going.
you out of me. No.
Stay down. Put your hands behind your back.
Out of me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give it.
Stop.
I'm gonna give it to you.
After all that running, going crazy, she's still talking about, I'm fitting to give it to you.
Stop.
Bro, y'all doing it wrong.
Put your hands behind your back now.
I'm gonna give it to you.
You know nothing now.
Damn, y'all doing the most.
We're detaining one now.
Bro, I'm gonna give it to you. Y'all doing too much.
Keep your hands there.
Bro, I'm gonna give y'all the receipt.
Yeah, there's another black female, 23 for description.
I'm gonna give y'all
What's the other one?
She was over there in a brown dress.
I'm gonna give you the receipt.
We got the one with black pants and a burgundy sweater.
Bro, I'm gonna give y'all the receipt.
Shut up about the receipt. That time has
You're past
passed.
the receipt.
I asked you for it.
Yeah, I was trying to give it to you. Sir, you can get your knee out my back.
Stop rolling over.
Did anybody see her try to give him the receipt? Did she reach in the purse? Did she do anything? And in the midst of all this, she's still in denial. She still won't admit that she doesn't have the receipt.
I'm gonna give you the receipt, sir.
I don't know where this one started fighting with me and took off.
No, I was
He
gonna
left
give you
the
the receipt.
he
You
called
grabbed
us.
me.
I don't know where the other one is. You have 18 or 19?
65 isn't confirmed yet. We have resisting, possible 31 LEO.
I'm gonna give you the receipt, sir. I'm telling you, I'm gonna give you the receipt.
You don't have 31 in the other one, right?
Nope.
I'm gonna give you
54 on K9. We do not have charges for 31
telling
Leo.
you.
I'm not sure of the value of the 65 yet.
Can I just sit?
No, you
Sit
can't.
up.
Kid,
Please, let me just sit up.
Did we double up?
You got me in handcuffs.
sit down.
If you run
It's
again,
wet.
you're gonna have a lot more problems.
I'm not
You're all
gonna run.
wet.
It's wet.
Yeah, send EMS for one. She's got a scuff on her elbow. Stop moving. He's double locking them so they don't get tighter.
Stop moving.
Watch the blood.
Oh.
About $800? Okay. And you guys want to prostitute, correct?
Absolutely.
You know where the other one went?
She took off when she started running, so she went off.
Which way?
West side.
Are you okay?
Yeah, just a minute. That's the letter.
I'm gonna give you the receipt.
We're past the receipt at this point. You understand that, right?
Bro.
We're walking back to the front now. My car's parked on the left.
They're over there if you can grab them.
What? Ray, did you see what way she ran?
No, I left her when I saw you fighting.
I'm gonna give you the fucking receipt, bro.
She was wearing a gray cardigan or sweater. And then she had long black hair. And then
A gray sweater, long black hair.
Yeah.
Hold on, one back. Right. Okay.
another one around?
Yeah, she was control over there, and then I left when she was fighting him.
I wasn't fighting him. I was trying to get to the receipt, but he grabbed me.
Shut up with the receipt.
What you mean, shut up?
Mike, take her to the car.
Put her in the car. Did they leave in a vehicle or in the car?
I don't know. We didn't get a chance to talk to him.
Black Oldsmobile. I don't see where it is, just from prior incidents. That's the vehicle they would be using.
Bro, I was trying to give him the receipt. As soon as I
Why'd you run?
Because so he tried to grab me, and I was trying to tell him to let me go. I was going to.
If your lies don't work the first 10 times, why do you continue to keep saying the same thing? They know there ain't no receipt. They already got you in handcuffs. You already arrested. Why are you still talking about I was about to give you the receipt? You still haven't told them where the receipt is? You haven't said, look at my bag.
Give him the receipt.
Why don't you stick to that?
Hey, who's medical attention? She might. I scuffed my knuckle a little. I'm good then.
So we got one detained.
One detained, one outstanding.
Oh, can I breathe? I don't want to be closed down.
Well, we got AC running.
I was really trying to give him my receipt, and he grabbed me.
Okay, you could have given him the receipt.
That's what I was trying to do, but he grabbed me.
Like I said, stay to that, okay? You stick to that one. And you tried to run, why?
Because he tried to grab me. What is he grabbing me for? That's what I'm trying to figure out. What is he grabbing me for?
All right, put your feet in. We got the AC running.
If you were walking
You must
away.
come over here and work it on.
Okay.
They've taken from here before, or there it is?
Just back to back.
In here?
Yeah.
This one particularly? Okay. Okay.
Are you okay? No injury? Are you okay? No injury? Thank God you're so fast. Thank God you're so fast.
What's hurting?
My elbow and my toe.
Okay. So that's what? Did you fell or how did that happen?
Because he threw me down.
Oh, were you running away?
No, I was just trying to get the receipt. Yes, I was running because he tried to grab me.
But you ran away.
Yeah, because he was trying to grab me.
Because you didn't stop.
No, he was trying to grab me, and I told you I was trying to get my receipt out my
All right,
purse.
listen, it's all on camera. We're not going to argue about it. Do you need medical attention? Well, what's going on? What's bothering you?
My elbow.
Okay.
When he threw me down, I could not the wind out of me.
You want to go to the hospital and get checked out?
Yes.
Yes. Just delays the whole booking process. All right.
I was trying to show you my receipt, sir, and you grabbed me.
I'm not arguing with you about what you were trying to do.
So why you
It was all on body
okay,
cam.
okay.
I would also check their personal bags that you show.
All right, watch out for a second. Watch your head.
Slides and key over there. So
I know. Watch your leg. I don't want to slam another car.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Okay, then, so we have a rescue coming for you that'll take you to the hospital, okay? Just got to ask you a couple questions, all right?
I can't breathe.
There was somebody here, I don't know which direction she went. My trainee was talking with her.
Get LP to figure out which way she went.
Yeah.
Because she didn't get in that car. What did she look like?
All I remember is black female because I focused on her.
Oh, any clothing?
He thinks she was wearing all black. I'll try to find out. Yes.
Help me. I can't breathe.
That's the one that's missing.
No, that's the one I fought with. Oh, wait, no.
No, no.
I'm sorry, you're right. Can I just get your first and last name?
I can't breathe.
Can you tell me your first and last name, though?
Son.
Alright, let's try to host it.
I got one receipt. He's working on the other one, but I saw somebody.
Were they together?
Yeah, they always come in together. Yeah, we're pushing two separate carts.
You're not able to tell me your name?
Yeah.
It's fine if you don't want to. You can just say, I don't want to tell you. You don't
My chest.
Just say you don't want to tell me. Just say you don't want to tell me. That's all I need to hear. That's all I need to hear. So she starts backing up. So I come around the car. I said, stop. Show me your receipt. I'm going to show you a receipt. She kept backing up. I said, stop. So that's when I grabbed her wrist. She pulled away. I grabbed her sweater. It came off. And she took off running. So I ran after her. I'm slow as hell. My trainee caught her. So we got her down, cuffed her, and that's that.
Yeah, no, good work. That was crazy. I've never seen anything like that in my life.
Sir, these handcuffs is high on my arm.
She's still looking for a moment that she could get away. She's trying to get out them cuffs. She want that door open. She's looking. She's trying to find a place where she feels like she'd get away.
Sir, these handcuffs.
She can't slip them off, so now she's crying they're too tight and they're cutting her. So she's hoping they'll loose it so she can get out.
Oh, sir. Would you please check these ankles?
Get back to the seat.
Try and loosen a little bit.
Oh, this one right here. That's one. Oh.
We have 4 reports with these guys or just.
So there you have it. Another situation. People just running around crazy. There you have it. Another situation. People run around crazy, only interested in themselves, so they don't care about what happens to the people around them, how they affect the community, or each other, really. They're just doing what they want to do. They leave each other, and then they just lie constantly. You know, people in your life, when you know they lie constantly, you know who they are. They're not going to change. So this is a good thing of viewing somebody's character. You know, people that lie for their own benefit because they don't want to face reality, they don't want to face consequences. This is when you know who they are. Once you know who they are, deal with them accordingly. Don't let somebody just be in your life that's just a user, that's just selfish. So, anyway, I'm rambling. This is Watchman Lee. Please, if you like the video, like it. Please subscribe, help me build up this channel, and comment about anything you like, you didn't like, things you want to see, and we'll try to get those things in. Anyway, Watchman Lee signing off until the next time.